music inspiration is Kelly Clarkson. I think that she's so talented, and is there, what's going on? I think that she's so talented, and I've just looked up to her since her first audition on American Idol.
Alrighty.
X Factor's better though.
Alright, number 2. What can we expect from the heart attack video?
What you can expect from the heart attack video? Well, I don't want to give too much away, but there's something really, really cool that I've never done before, and it's artistic, and it's my way of interpreting something pulling you back, and that something is the conflict of not wanting to fall in love because you're afraid of getting hurt.
All right, Demi.
Yes.
How do you feel about the weather here?
How do I feel about the weather? It is so hot. Just like my fans.
All right. What is your dream role in a movie and why?
My dream role in a movie would probably be... I've always wanted to be like the really, really scary person in a horror film. Like with the hair down and, you know what I mean? I can get really, really evil looking, so.
All right. What is your favorite guilty pleasure?
Can't say no. My favorite guilty pleasure is chocolate. Chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, I really got to stay away from those.
Alrighty, last question.
Uh-oh. Last question.
Ready for it?
Oh, no. Yes, I'm ready for it.
All right, what is your message to your Filipino Lovatics?
My message to you guys is I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed to know that I have fans all over the world, including you guys, and thank you so much for your support. I love you all.